And cue Willow.
Slobbering us with your water.
Yeah, you can't see her, but she's just off camera.
Yeah, she was drinking some water, and she likes to come over and splash us with water.
Yeah, her whole bottom of her fur, like me, gets wet, and then she tries to spread her love, huh?
Yeah. So that was day 1 of packing yesterday. Woke up just a bit sore. We're not used to it. And yeah, a lot of heavy packing was done yesterday. Today we just have to load up the bandsaw and the...
so I have just it's a smaller elephant woodworking bandsaw. And then I also have a drill press.
Yeah.
And go.
So, those are
in the words of the great Crocker, go read some books.
So those are the things
go read some books.
Heavy right now.
Oh, or cough on me. Okay.
Babe. Pay attention.
I am paying attention.
Squirrel.
Okay.
So yeah, those are the two heavy
items
we got to put into the trailer.
And a washer and dryer, but those are...
Yeah. So far, everything is fitting in the trailer that belongs outside in the shed. The only two things that are coming from inside the house are the washer and the dryer.
Yeah.
Hopefully some boxes can fit in there too.
And we'll go through, and I'm going to show you guys the trailer and basically show you guys what we got going on.
Yeah.
Here in the house, out in the shop, and all that. But yeah, I'll take you for a walk around to go look at that.
Yeah, and then we gotta just load up the truck, both trucks, and there might be a high possibility of having to rent a small little trailer from
at most it would be like the 5x7.
Oh, 5x8, yeah.
Or 5x8. Just to be able to have for boxes.
Well, I think we're gonna probably end up putting the desks and the couches and some boxes in there.
Yeah.
Because we only have just this one couch. We got rid of a lot of heavy furniture in the house. Yeah. Because then we're not gonna use it.
Nope. It's just gonna be sitting in storage because we're gonna be in a trailer.
Yeah, until the house is done. So it's like, why have it that long? Yeah, I'd rather.
So for the new subscribers that are here with us now, obviously thank you for coming to follow our journey. We are right now moving from Virginia to Arkansas. We're hopefully going to be buying some new property, and so right now we have put in an offer. Right now we're going through the whole process with the banks, blah blah blah, all that fun stuff. So we're still waiting to hear on that. And we are looking to build our own house, our own home. It's going to be a Spanish-style hacienda. That is what we really love.
Yeah.
Wanting to do all the traditional things. And you can come sit.
Hi.
We got to be quiet, okay? Just come sit. Thank you. And so we plan on doing our own home. And we also have Gladys's mom and dad coming to the property that they are going to have a house. We might end up even doing like a shed to home for them. And then my mom and grandma also plan on living on the property, and they want to do a barn dominium. Now, whether we build that or not, that I don't know. We might actually have a company come in to do that. But regardless, we would still show the progress of that build.
We will see as we get there.
Yeah.
We'll see what happens. We always get life gets curveballs thrown at us, so we'll see as it goes.
Yeah, this has been going on. This right now to get to this point has been a 3-year plan.
Yeah.
Just getting to here, a lot of stuff that we've had to go through. The things. For the girls,
a bunch of obstacles, but we're
paying
here
off
now.
bills, trying to get to that debt free. and been able to live, debt free as much as possible. We're not quite there 100%, but we're much closer than what we were 3 years ago.
Yeah.
Look at bunny.
Yeah, your buttons.
You like him.
All right, so are you guys ready to go on a walkabout and go see what we got to still pack up and put on the trailer? And right now the trailer is covered, so I'll show how we have that covered up.
Can I help you do this?
And
You can help with the little things when it comes time. Yeah.
Yay! I will help you guys.
she's gonna help.
You want guys? Do you want to search?
Yeah.
All right, but let's go ahead and see
Let's do this.
Yeah,
Yep.
let's do this. We got boxes here. Boxes. Those will be going onto the trailer next. And over here. Boxes. This is what we talked about. Taping out basically what the bed of the truck would look like. So this is the Toyota. Little fender wells. And then we have the bed of the Ford over there, which is kind of crazy because F-150 has a smaller bed than my Toyota Tacoma. What kind of crap is that? Got us doing dishes, throwing stuff away. Little one annoying us as always. Boxes. Go in there. Yep. Still got some blacksmithing stuff. Let's come out here. We'll open up. So, watching people move is kind of boring, I guess. But we're just showing you guys the progress. We still got some stuff in here. A lot of the boxes that were over there are all up on the trailer now. But man, man, I know that we had a lot of junk, but you always have so much junk when you're moving. Even more junk than what you ever thought you had. So, but we're getting it knocked out. I know that this process, that not a whole lot of people want to watch you packing. It's kind of like watching paint dry or watching grass grow. It's just not very exciting. But we're still showing you guys the progress. We are trying to put out as many videos as possible just to bring you guys along this amazing new journey that we're on. So let's go check out the trailer. Alright, so I got it all covered up with a tarp because we were expecting rain. But here we go. And then we just have down here a pole, or flag pole, because it's the longest thing we had. Because these tarps, this is the recycled or reutilized canvas tarp. So this one is actually a McDonald's ad. I believe it was for the McRib. And yeah, because you can see down there. It says, "Ooh, baby, McRib is back." That's actually what this is. But anyway, we take that, we roll it up, and bring it up here to the front. And then I went through and actually added in all these grommets. Went and bought a grommet kit, added grommets, and we zip tie. Came up here, we zip tied it to the front. Zip tied it to the front. Right. I already got spiders trying to do stuff, but yeah, there we go. it's moving. It's not very exciting. But so tiring. As you can probably see in the thumbnail that we're just dead tired. But hey, you gotta do what you gotta do if you want that dream to happen. And we're ready to move. So I'm gonna go ahead and get back inside. I'm gonna grab my coffee, grab my breakfast, and we'll get at it again. So guys, definitely make sure you're giving us that thumbs up. Share it out to your friends. It's greatly appreciated. It helps us grow. And remember to always thank a veteran at every chance you get. All right, y'all. We'll see y'all on the next one. Bye-bye now.